Hi guys, today we are discussing problem number 501 in Leetcode, find mode in binary search tree. The problem says, given the root of a binary search tree with duplicates, return all the modes, that is the most frequently occurred element in it. If the tree has more than one mode, return them in any order. So basically the mode means most frequently occurred element, as in if you see in the example 1 2 2. So here 1 occurred one time, 2 occurred two times, right? So since 2 occurred most number of the times, 2 is the mode for this particular tree. uh, let's yeah, I mean we need to calculate the mode and we need to return that. So if I mean it's possible that for some trees there are more than one mode possible. Let's say if in a tree 2 occurred two times and 3 occurred two times and remaining nodes occurred only one time, then both 2 and 3 are considered as the mode of that particular tree, right? So yeah, uh, let's take one more example and see. Okay, so let's say, yeah, if we have a tree, say 6 here, and then 4, and then 4 again, and then if we have 5 in the right side, we have 7, we have 7, say we have something 9 here. So in this tree, if you observe, right, we have 6 occurred one time, 4 occurred two times, and 7 occurred two times, and 9 occurred one time, right? So the mode for this tree will be 4 and 7. So we need to return this in this particular example. So how do we solve this? So by looking at this, first approach will be, uh, we can traverse over the whole tree, and we can keep a map, hash map, which keeps track of the number of times that particular element has occurred. So let's say, if I mean let's do traversal from here. When we are at 6, we will initialize a hash map, which will have node value and frequency, right? So at first, we have min 6 is not present in our map. So yeah, my bad. So let's take a map. So first we have 6. 6 is not present in our map, so we will take 6 and in map we put as 1, and then we move forward further. On left side we have 4 here, and when we are at 4, 4 is only, we have only visited one time, so we will put counter as 1, and when we go further we got 4 again, so we will increase this counter to 2. And when we I mean this node is completed and we go to the left side, now we have 5 which occurred. I mean this is the first time it is coming, so the counter of 5 is 1. And then we go back, I mean basically I'm doing depth first search here, and when we come back to 7, and we have only one time 7 is present till now, and when we go further we have 7 one more time, so we will change this counter to 2, and when we are at 9 we have counter as 1, right? After this we will iterate over this hash map, and we can see the maximum value is 2 here. So 2 is present at 7 and 4, and we will return this 2. So yeah, basically we can do this via depth first search or breadth first search as well. But yeah, I mean for anything the time and space complexity remains same. So Yeah, now, so that is one approach. Let me clear the board. So one more approach will be, so in the previous approach, that will work for any kind of tree, not only for binary tree, right? Because I mean, anyhow, we are traversing the whole tree and then calculating the frequency of that particular number of all the numbers. So the binary search tree. So the properties of binary search tree is, if we do a pre-order traversal, right? Sorry, sorry, not pre-order traversal. If we do in-order traversal of this binary search tree, and if we try to print those numbers, it will be sorted, right? So maybe let's use that property. So if we do in-order traversal of that binary search tree, and if we get the array of numbers which are in sorted, then we can easily iterate over that array, and we can tell uh, the mode of it, right, easily. I mean, we can, if that array is sorted, we can easily tell which number is repeated how many number of times, right? So yeah, so that will be a better approach here, because in hash map we are storing both keys and values, and I mean frequency of that. I mean, space complexity wise it is still the same, but yeah, it's slightly better than using hashmap, because hashmap uses both key and value. But yeah, it's still order of n. So let's quickly see that example. So let's take the same example. I have 6 here, let's say, and we have 4 and 4. Let's say we have 5 here, and then 7, 7, and then 9. So if you do in order traversal, so what does in order traversal mean? So you first explore the left child of the tree, and then explore the root, and then explore the right side. This is root and this is the right side, right? So yeah, we will start at 6. So we need to explore left side first. So we go to 4. Then again we need to explore further left first. So we will take 4, and then since there is no left side, right? So we will return back, and we will explore this route, which is 4 again, and then we will we'll explore the right side, which is 5, and then we will return back from here to 6. I mean, since we have explored all the left side, so we will explore 6 now, and then we will go to the right side. So in right side we have 7. It contains a left child. So we go to the left child first. So which is 7 again, and then again we come back to the root, which is 7, and then we explore 9. So we go back, and there are no other nodes to explore. So this is the array that we get by doing in order travels, right? Uh, so if you see here, so yeah, if we traverse this array, 4 occurred 2 times, and 5 occurred 1 time, 6 occurred 1 time, and again 7 occurred 2 times, 9 occurred 1 time. So the answer will be 4 comma 7, right? So yeah, I hope you know how to do in order traversal, or else maybe let me quickly tell you how to do it. So let's say if we have any tree. So in order traversal means we first explore the left child, and then we explore the root value, and then we explore the right child. So if you change this order, I mean, if you first explore right and then explore left, then the array that we get is in the reverse order. I mean, it is also sorted array, but it is sorted in the descending order. So yeah, I mean, for this code I'll explain while writing this code. So maybe let's quickly go and implement this, right? So yeah, so what is it that we discussed? So first step will be we will create an array. Maybe we'll create a list to, yeah, so that this list we will update. I mean, create an empty list, writing this code, and then we will explore the tree in which order? In order traversal, and add the values to list. Now the list is sorted. I mean, now the list is sorted. We can traverse down the list and get the mode. So I mean, while traversing, I'll explain like how do, yeah, how do we keep track of the maximum value. So basically, we can take the current maximum value and I mean current maximum value and the maximum streak that we have till now, so that yeah, at the end, whatever the maximum we have, and we can return that, right? So let me click code this. So what have we discussed? So we will take a list, uh, is equal to new array list, and then we will do in order traversal, right? In order traversal for this route, and we will update these values in this list, right? I mean, I'll write this in order traversal code. I mean, let's assume that we in this in order traversal method gives us the list which contains the sorted array. So we will have the maximum streak. Let's first initialize it to 0, and then let's have the current streak that we have till now. So first it will be equal to 0 only, and then let's have the current number initialized to 0. So now um, we will iterate over the array for int I equal to 0 comma less than list dot size I plus plus. So we will iterate over this the sorted array, and then we'll try to find the answer. So int number equal to list dot get of x. So this is the number that we have till now, and so current number I mean the previous number, right? So if if the number that we have is equal to current number, then we have the streak going on, right? So what is it? So we can increase the current streak. If it is not, we can set the current streak value to a 1, and then current num equal to this num, right? So at any point of time, if this current streak is greater than the max streak, then we will update the max streak equal to current streak, right? And yeah, I mean, to return we also need to maintain the answer, right? Let's uh, take, let's say, result Okay. Equal to new array list. So this is the resultant array. So here we came across the new maximum, right? So now I can mm, create a new array list. This is equal to new array list, and then so now if current streak, what if the streak is equal to max streak, right? So now we will add this number, we will add this current number to the array list. So we will add this to the number. So why we haven't added here while creating? So if it is greater, we have anyhow changed this max streak to this current streak, right? So that number will get added here. So yeah, once we complete this, uh, once we come out of this for loop, we have the answer in this list, in this result array. So, so here I'll, since it is expecting an integer array and not a array list, so will create something like res1 equal to new int of res dot size. Right. Now we'll iterate over that list, and then we'll copy that numbers to here. And res dot size I plus s1 of I equal to s dot get of I, and then finally we will return this res1. So we still have to complete this function in order traversal. So this in order traversal, I'm just copying this. So what will happen? So in order traversal private not return anything. In order traversal take node of code, and then list of integer of list, right? So if this node equal to null, so this is the base case, node is equal to null, we don't need to do anything, we will return from here. If not, we will do in order traversal for a left side first with this list, and then we will after exploring the left side, we will add this root value to the list. List dot add node dot value, and after this we will traverse the right side, right? So we will the node dot right, and then we will send this list. So I hope you understand this in order traversal. First we will be exploring the left side, and then we will be adding that root value to the list, and then we'll be exploring the right side. Sorry. So yeah, this should work. Let's quickly run this and see. There is some error. But 31. Yeah, here integer spelling is wrong. What other errors? Current streak. Okay, current streak. Okay, and then this is array, see if it resolves the issue. These cases are solved, and let's quickly submit. Yeah, and it got accepted. So yeah, and that's it for this question, guys. Thank you for watching.